Hello? Are we back? Hold on, let me get some music. So, yeah, I kicked my power cord. I was kind of gonna switch to doing my game anyways at that moment, but that was unfortunate. So I have this power cord that's like in the wall. It's not on the floor, it's like in the wall, and I just kicked it. I actually kicked it a little bit when I lost that run I was on. And then I think I didn't like make sure it was plugged in fully, and I just like slightly nudged it after the boss rush, and it just unplugged. I always thought it was gonna happen at some point, just because like I always have my feet around it, and it's not in a good place. The plug is not in a good place, but I can't really do anything about it. And I'm like, I'm surprised I've never done that on stream by accident. And of course, this is the first time it's happened. But it's okay. And of course, I have a really slow booting computer because it doesn't matter usually to me. I don't usually care if it takes forever to boot because I just boot it up when I'm in like the shower. But damn, it takes a long time. Anyways, we were gonna do a little segment here. Thanks Nancy for the sub. 10 months. Why is chat not showing up on stream? What's going on with that? That's weird. We're gonna do a little segment where we play a game I'm making, but I have to wait for Unity to boot up, so we can all get prepared by going to the alt channel. So we're gonna use the alt channel's chat, because that's what it's set up on. So we're gonna use the alt channel to type in the commands to play the game, instead of my channel. Fitting channel name for today, yes. So we're gonna wait for Unity to boot up. It's exclamation mark alt. Do I still have the chat? I don't have... Oh, I do have the offline chat. Chat, type in the... Wait, what? Okay, there we go. There we go. I got the little pop-up still. That's what I wanted to see. And I actually do have the commands updated in the thing, so it's like join, and then you can do 1 or shoot, 2 or lunge, and 3 or dodge. By the way, you know what else takes forever to boot up? Frickin' Unity. So this might take a while. I'm gonna have to stall for a bit. Unity takes so long to boot up on the first time when you like start your computer. It's like impressively long. I don't know if that happens with anything else. Maybe that's also a hard drive problem, but like, it always does this to me. I don't know what Hollow Knight is. I've never heard of that game. I think Donkey played that game at some point. You don't need it to be streaming to join the chat. It should just open up, right? If I go there. Maybe mobile? I don't know how you do it on mobile. Scurry is offline. There's a chat button that should take you there. Okay, the Unity has started up. Just gonna get this on screen. There we go. Alright chat, so this is title pending chat survival. So the way this works is this updating? Is this window gonna update? Okay, it does. This is me, and if you type join in the offline chat, it should enter you in as, yep, there we go. It's gonna be a 3-second delay. So once you see your name pop up, is the max characters? You're going over the max amount of join characters. I don't know how that was happening. 5 out of 4. And then once you spawn in, what is happening? Why am I getting Windows sounds? Okay. I'm gonna let you test this chat. So if you press 1, you shoot. 2, you'll lunge at me. And 3, you'll dodge away from me. You can also, you spawn as either a big, normal, or small circle. The small ones are better at lunging, the big ones are better at shooting, and then there's just the normal ones. And your goal is to try and kill me. And I have to try and survive as long as I can. But you'll see in the right, you'll see when you join, it'll say you joined. That's when you should start doing commands because of the delay. So as soon as you see yourself join in the right, you can start doing commands, so as soon as you spawn, you'll be doing something. Null reference exception. Uh-oh. Hopefully that doesn't collapse everything. I got a null reference exception. And yeah, slowly as we go on, more people can join at once. As you can see. We're now at like 14 at once. And you can rejoin after you die, as long as you're not already in the game. Oh my god. This is so scary. It's gonna get really chaotic if we have a bunch of people. Join is in the other chat, everyone. Use the alt chat. Oh, I'm looking at the alt chat. I am looking at the alt chat. But people are still trying to do it here too. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm surprised I'm still alive right now. No, I got shot. Someone shot me. Something I am gonna do later, I don't have it yet, is put a cooldown on the dashes. I can currently dash like crazy, and that's why I'm able to dodge so much, I think. Also, the game still seems to be working. I don't know what the null reference exception was, but it appears to still be working. Oh god, I'm getting low on health. I'm glad this game is working though. This is cool. I never tested it like this yet. I was literally just testing it with just me. This is the first time I've done anything like this. This is cool. Obviously I want to add more to this game to make it a bit more interesting. But this really is like the... Oh, I need to get those health. I need to get those healths. This is like the proof of concept, and it seems to be working pretty well. Give me those healths. Give me the shield. No, I didn't get it. Oh, there's so many people at once. I'm at 3. Get the health and the shield. The gun! Super gun! Get the super gun! Yes! Super gun! Super gun is so good. It didn't last very long though. Oh my god, I'm at 1 health. Get the shields! No! No! I can't even read this because there's too many chat members. You survived for 4 minutes 26 seconds. Defeated 123 chat members and were defeated by Get Noobed. Lol lol. Alright. Pretty good first attempt. What was the null reference exception though? What happened? I'm like worried about my code. That was a good first attempt. I need to maybe make this more readable though. That's one thing. Chat, can you do inputs right now? Try doing things. Okay, I think it freezes you at the end. I kind of want it to not do that because it's funny if you can move around. So that's something else I want to change. I think it's funny if chat can just move around at the end. I know why that's happening though, but I think I can work it out. Well, this works. This is cool. This is working. We'll do another attempt. Let me just quickly check what this null reference exception is. Because I'm concerned. I'm getting like a critical error. Apparently the game still ran. Glad you like it, chat. Yeah, I want to make I really want to make some more cool chat integration things because I feel like Marbles is the only one that I really do. But there's so much cool things you can do. And I think a lot of devs don't really do it because it's kind of niche. Like, you kind of want to make a game that everyone can play, not just Twitch streamers. But as a Twitch streamer, like, why not make some stuff like this? Join number. Yeah, that's some other stuff I could add. That's a good idea. Player dies and their bullet still exists. Potentially. Okay, well, Visual Studio takes 8 years to open, so let's just do another attempt. No, size and color is random currently. I can look into doing that later on. But yeah. Also, apparently the max players, you can have like 1 extra than it says. Is it working? Huh. Let me try restarting, that's weird. There we go. Okay, I'm not giving you a chance to just screw around at the start. I'm trying to survive as much as I can. Oh god, the little guys. I'm gonna play this strategically this time. Get noobed as who killed me last time. Object reference not set to instance. Still getting the same error. I'll fix it later. Gun! Super gun. So I currently have health drop is 15% chance. Shield is 10 and this is 5. The gun is pretty rare because it's really good, as you can see. And I just got it again. Rigged. Rigged. Oh my god, so you can see the lunge as the small one is insane. You want to be lunging if you're the small guy. It's crazy. Which means I should also allow you to see what you're gonna spawn as. Because currently, you don't really know that, and then you kind of have to be existing for long enough to, on the stream delay, to know you're small. But yeah, the little, like, you two are overlapped exactly. The little feed in the right was inspired by marbles, obviously. I think it's very nice to have. Get the little guys out of here. Oh. Also, by the way, chat, there is a chaos mode that we can do, which involves having no limit to the number of enemies. So I'll show that off too. I just felt this was a more balanced, somewhat doable experience. Is slowly having it get harder and harder. Also, chat, use the alt chat if you want to join. You gotta use the Scurry's offline chat. ! alt. It is currently connected to that chat, so we can still talk in this chat. Ah! There's a lot of you right now. We're at 21 max. And it's like actually at 21. Oh, there's so many little guys. Oh my god. Ah! Pick up the health. Here's where it just spirals. I'm not sure what to do at this point. The entire screen is just chat members. 1, 2, and 3 are just shortcuts to shoot, lunge, and dodge. They're just easier ways to type it. I need to get rid of these little guys. The little ones are like the worst. They're so powerful. Oh my god. Gun, thank you, gun. I'm at 1! Get something. Get something. Health, yep. Into shield, yep. Kinda saved, but now I'm back at 1. Gun. Got the shield. Oh my god. I think it's over. How do I get out of this one? Ah! New PV though, in terms of kills. 439, 154 kills, and defeated by peanut-sized brain guy. Good run, good run. Can I check what was going wrong in Visual Studio now? Float angle. Wait, what? Oh, I see. It's still trying to follow the player, but the player doesn't exist. So I need to do like a check here to be like, is player active or something? Do I have the player game object in here? If player position dot game object dot is active. Does that work? Active self. That didn't work. Oh, I don't want this to turn into a coding stream. I thought I could fix this quickly. Dot active? Dot, I thought it was dot is active. There's definitely something that works for this. Active self brackets true? No. Active self equals true. I think it's actually working. I think it's mad at me for something else. Okay, I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it. I don't think we'll have constant null reference errors now. Let's just do another run to test it. I got a free 10 seconds before anyone spawned. The big lunge is pretty shit. But that's because you have the super gun. But I do want to allow chat to know what you're gonna get ahead of time. Like when you see yourself join in the right, I want that to say what size you are, so you can actually implement some strategy there. Oh, I already got... I'm saving that gun, dude. I'm not gonna use that yet. I know those don't despawn because I coded this. I can just leave that as long as I want. Oh, okay. Something that lunge does that I love is you can bump into someone else and bump them into me. Like there's collision on the enemies. You can kind of cause like this huge collision. I have 2 guns. The strat is save the guns till later. There's so many tinies. Oh shoot. Okay, I'll get a gun. I have a bunch of them at this point. They're not super useful, honestly. They kind of run out too soon, I feel. Oh my god, Ultic. Should I tone down the lunge on the small ones? I don't think so. I think it's funny. You just go flying. I'm almost dead already. Need to pick these up. Oh, I picked up 2 guns at once. Get the health. No. No, you're so fast. The little ones literally are the worst. They're so good. I made them too OP. Oh, that was clutch. I actually got those health upgrades. Uh-oh. New PB? I forget what my old PB was. I definitely got a lot more kills last time. Killed by Pixel Biscuit the Biscuit. It was 437 last time. Alright, not a PB. Yeah, I got way more kills last time. It's time to join all game. It's weird. There might be some bugs. Like, maybe if you join too early before the game starts, it like tracks your name and then you can't join or something. I don't know. I'll look into that. But if you're sure you've been typing in the offline chat and it's not working, then I'll look into that. Obviously, if someone joins before you, they're gonna get in before you, so there's a chance. Here, we'll eliminate all chance. Chaos mode. No limits on characters, on chat members. Oh. Here it comes. Oh my god, the right side of the screen. Ah! I'm still getting null reference exceptions, by the way. What I did not fix everything. This is- I can't do anything, chat. It's- what do I do? There's too many people at once. I haven't saved up a bunch of, like, health pickups and stuff. 47 seconds. Imagine this was someone who had like 1,000 viewers. Whoa. Okay, that's a glitch. Your names are still here. I do like all the colors. It looks very pretty. Like, this is the most simple graphics of all time, but it still looks kind of nice just because there's lots of colors on like a black background. I can do better than what I did last time. Come on. No, get away from me. Everyone's colliding with each other. You just try and like lure you away from the health upgrade so I can get them. Gun! Super gun. Oh, that was really good. Oh, that was really good. Good use of gun. That was not a good use of gun. It was kind of a waste. I can't even remember if gun is timing based or like amount of shots. I don't even remember what I coded it as. Ah! This is a pretty good run for being on Chaos. I saw Seth there. No, I didn't even realize my health. 241.89. You should be able to rejoin. Alright, what else can I do to make this interesting? I don't know. I don't really have a whole lot of settings yet. I'll hopefully be able to add more things later to have more ways to play the game. But it's really cool to just play this and see it actually working. It's really cool. I think we'll do one more non-chaos. Yeah, it might be overloading a bit. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Also, I need to apparently fix some critical errors. Try that. Okay. Last attempt. Again, everyone go to the alt chat if you want to join. And then type join, and then 1, 2, and 3 are your attacks. Alright. And the player limit is actually 1 less than it says, because I need to fix that. 4 out of 3. Wrong chat, everyone. Oh, shoot. Go to the alt chat to join. Ah! And yeah, after you die, you can rejoin if you manage to get in again. Okay, managing pretty well. Gonna save the gun. Oh, I need to get away from the corners. The corner... So chat always spawns in a corner. It's a random corner. So if you ever don't know where you are at the start, it's going to be one of the random corners. Which maybe I'll change later, just so you have a better idea of where you're going to be. It's already going to be hard to find yourself, and then like adding in a random spawn. I just didn't want it to be too easy for me to just spawn kill. Already pretty low health. I don't know how I held onto that shield that long. Oh, I almost got bumped by the big one. That's like the worst move. And it somehow almost worked. Uh-oh. Also, I feel like if I let you choose your size, everyone's just gonna be tiny and I'm like screwed. No! Chat, you're getting better, I think. Or I'm getting worse. Chat wins. Defeated by Meat Master. Mobile can't really play this well on mobile. What's the problem with mobile? Is there just too much delay? Hold on, I have an idea that I'm gonna have to go in the code for. For a final game mode that maybe I'll implement properly later. I think you'll find out what's different soon enough here, chat. Small only. Does small have less health? Small might have less health. I forget what I did. I don't know, I still find small the most threatening because of the lunge. The lunge is insane. And now I said that, everyone's gonna be spamming lunge. Ah! See, the thing is, even if you can't really play much because of delay, your circle is still heading towards me. It's coded to always follow. So just by joining, that's an extra hazard I have to deal with. Okay, I'll ask everyone who's been playing what the delay is like and stuff and get some feedback on that after this attempt. Oh, I just destroyed everyone there. You know what? Maybe all small mode is easier. I thought it'd be harder. They might have less health. I think small has less health. Uh-oh. I'm scared now because there's a bunch of... There's many smalls. We should do big mode after. I'm doing big mode after, seeing if it's harder. Also depends just how much people are joining. I feel like I, as the player, might need more ways to deal with chat, because after a certain point, it's like literally impossible. And it's still fun to like play, but it'd be nice if there was some more ways I could like survive longer by being good. I don't know. There can be some balancing. I can figure out, hopefully. Ah! Pancake Lord got me. I did pretty well, though. Yeah, more power-ups and stuff. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Anyways, big mode. Let's try out big mode, just one last thing. Because this is a very easy thing to just change in code and try out. Six to 10 seconds delay. That should not be the case. Chat spam filter. Wait, how does that work? It's making it even more delayed? Does that happen with other Twitch stuff we do? I don't think it connected properly. What? What's happening? Surely big mode didn't break it. That didn't change anything significantly. There we go. That's weird too. I wonder what's causing it to just not work sometimes. Big definitely has more health. What do you mean 10-second delay? That's not supposed to be what it's like. It's supposed to be like 1 to 2 seconds. Oh yeah, by the way, there's no cooldown on shoot. So if you do like 1H, 1A, 1B, 1B, 1C, 1D, like I don't think it lets you do that though. I know I could do that as the moderator of the channel, but I don't think it lets you do that. Now everyone's spamming shoot. Oh my god. I saw Mango do 2 very close back-to-back shots. You can do it. Look at that. That was so fast. That might have been 2 different people. But like still. You can do it pretty fast. Chat color is completely random. It doesn't check your Twitch color. I don't know how to check Twitch color. I don't think you can. Oh god. There's so many bullets. I think that might be harder than small, just because you have so much more health. Cuddle pile. At the end. Alright, GG's chat. So yeah, what is everyone's thoughts on the game? 'Cause I'm hearing a lot about like super long delay. I don't understand the 10 seconds. I feel like that's not normally what it should be. Like when I do Twitch, I've played like Twitch plays on other people's channel, it's not that long. So what is everyone's delay like? 3 to 5 seconds? 5 seconds. I know it depends on the person. 4, 5, 3 to 5. Okay. So 3 is more on like the lower end of it then. Which I think is what it kind of was when I was playing Twitch plays on someone else's channel. And that probably has some impact on like where do you live compared to the streamer and stuff like that and like your server. I don't really know how that stuff works. Obviously this game as a concept is gonna be heavily impacted by delay. which is why I feel like an RPG or a turn-based thing works better. But it's cool that this works at all. And if you were able to get like any attacks to work even with delay, I think that's pretty cool, because you're still like impacting the game just by typing in chat and stuff. Was anyone able to actually like strategize with the delay? Like be like, oh, I'm gonna try and like shoot here. And then like have it happen and stuff. It's fine with the delay. I think, you know the join thing? It says you're joined 3 seconds before you join. Maybe I should kind of extend that to 5, or be like, joining in 5 seconds pop up. And then like have it be like 4, 3, and then you can find out your delay, and then you know when you're gonna spawn, and you can start like spamming. So you could be like, oh, it says I'm spawning in 4 seconds, and that's my delay, so I'm gonna start hitting things. Something like that. It was mostly spam. I mean, it is gonna be mostly spam. It's gonna be hard to like be super strategic about it, but I guess I mean more like, I don't know. I think it worked pretty well. I'm proud of this. Yes, I made this entirely myself. This was just some random thing I came up with that I thought would be fun to make, because I wanted to make more, I wanted to play more Twitch integration games and like try out some new things like that. So yeah, I'm glad you all enjoyed where it is so far. I've gotten some ideas on how to improve it, and I may continue to work on this. Something I want to do, I want to make boss fights where the entire Twitch chat controls the boss. So you all like vote on what move to do next. And I do have some boss fights coded on their own that I can like try and turn into Twitch boss fights. And honestly, that might be better. That might work better than this mode, because I feel like delay matters less. I don't know. Cool noise chair. That sounded like that was so loud. My chair is very messed up, and I realized recently that I don't have the little Allen key to tighten it. Like I lost that. I don't know where it is. I don't think it's even in my apartment. It might be at my parents' house somewhere, but I can't like tighten my chair, so I guess I could probably like find an Allen key somewhere else. Like just buy more. Yeah, just get a set. I'll probably do that because my chair is messed. When I lean forward sometimes it like makes a clicky sound and it's like concerning. Yeah, I'm gonna be ending stream now. It's been like a full-length stream at this point. I played this longer than I thought I would. I thought I was just gonna do this for like 20 minutes. This was 50 minutes of my silly little game. I was having fun doing it. So yeah, if I make this in a more stable state, I will release it for free and people can try it on their streams, if people are interested in that. And I can try and improve it, add more settings and stuff like that. It's very much in like a proof of concept state at the moment. Although visually this is probably the best it's looking. I don't think I'm gonna make visuals for this game. But I think it looks fine. I can show you the boss. Oh, I can show you the boss. Yeah, this is a placeholder name. Here's the boss. I spawned inside the boss. Am I stuck? Oh, Here we go. Wait, the boss, it deletes the boss when I start. The way the game works right now, it deletes everything when I press survival. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this to work. Because I changed how this worked recently. That was the boss skip. Did I change anything? Just save, whatever. Let's see if I can just place the prefab down and like it'll work. I don't know. Potentially. Player. Boss. Does this work? Nope. Okay, I can't show off the boss chat. I would have to mess with the code. And we'll have to do that later. I'll show you the boss when I get it working with chat integration, okay? But I did code some cool things. Wait, where's the main scene? Where'd it go? There. I didn't break everything, right? It still works. I think we're fine. But yeah, you will perhaps see more of this at some point, and I will perhaps make the game cooler before we play it again. I'm glad I had some interest in it. That makes me happy. Generic Thief, thanks for the sub. And I'm glad it worked, because it could have very well just not worked at all. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna make some frickin' pizza. Some homemade pizza. And I will be back probably on Saturday. I don't know what I'm gonna do Saturday. Whatever I feel like. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna, I missed Tuesday's stream this week. But I'm gonna hopefully be on a more standard schedule from here on out. Because I had a dentist appointment, and now I don't. I'll read Cthulhu. And I will see you all on Saturday, hopefully. Thanks for playing, thanks for joining. I will continue to do more auto runs too. I want to get a better time than what I have. And yeah, hopefully I'll probably start looking into getting YouTube uploads up again soon. I know it's been a while, I've just been enjoying not having to do any of that. But we'll get back into it soon. Goodbye everyone, see you next time.